Did you know a woman risked everything to save 15,000 retirement accounts from being stolen? Sandra Martinez was head of security at a Fortune 500 company, living her dream job. Her CEO was like family, a mentor who had guided her career for over a decade. Until one late night in March 2019, she discovered something that changed everything. While reviewing financial records, she found irregular transfers from employee pension funds. $30 million had been moved to cover the CEO's massive gambling debts. Her own family worked at this company. Her husband, her brother, even her daughter. Exposing this meant destroying the place that employed everyone she loved. For weeks, she gathered evidence in secret, knowing what it would cost her. The day she called the FBI, her hands were shaking. Within hours, she was fired. Colleagues called her a traitor, but when federal agents raided the offices, they recovered every stolen dollar. Today, Sandra runs her own security firm and saved 15,000 retirement dreams.